Hey Java developer, I will reveal the simplest, quickest and most practical way to get a salary raise you've been waiting for so long. But let me warn you that it's so simple that you will be disappointed you didn't do it earlier. I shared this tip with my mentee who had been with a company for 8 years with no promotion. And just 2 months after being in the mentorship, he was promoted from intermediate to senior developer. But first, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I'm Rafael Del Nero, a Java champion and mentor dedicated to empowering developers like you to earn more and boost your career. So are you ready to know the secret? Talk to your boss. Yes, that's it. You heard it. I told you you would be disappointed. My mentee was stuck in his career. Even though he was the go-to person in his job, he lacked recognition from his boss. People who asked for help from him always thought he was a senior developer, but he didn't have the title. My mentee had to break his limiting beliefs before getting the courage to talk to his boss. My role as a mentor was to help him see that he was already a senior developer and make him realize that he was prepared to talk to his boss. After some mentorship sessions, he finally talked to his boss, but then he realized that his boss didn't value his work. His boss didn't want to give him a promotion even though he deserved it. Since he knew he was already a senior developer and noticed his boss wouldn't help him, he took action to get a job in another team that valued his work. He was successful in the interview with a team within his company. He faced his fears, had immense growth, and now he is working with top-notch technologies and has the title of senior developer. Inspiring story, huh? But that's not all. I have even more valuable insights to share with you. Join me on this journey and gain access to a wealth of videos and proven strategies employed by the highest paid Java developers in the industry. And if this resonates with you, show your support by giving a like and sharing this video. Together, we can help other developers unlock their earning potential by being strategic and focused. So stay tuned, follow me and receive regular updates with valuable content and strategies, and never forget to break your limits.